for social media is most useful for students. But I want to explain one point and one benefit. My brothers, look and draw your attention to the life of Prophet. When Allah sent the Prophet and commanded him to convey his message among the people of Makkah. So the Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used the media as per the need of his time. And the one those media outlets according to his time was Mount and Safa. Who wants to convey his message quickly should stand a high place and say, Ya Sabaha, Ya Sabaha. So that was like social media channels and a great reason for a social communication in that era. So, where is the escape from social communication? It had been the weapon of the Islamic community since its first day. The benefit of 12,000 benefits of social media for a student is a learning and networking. Learning has gone beyond classroom when the social learning is promoted in almost leading e-learning websites. A student can take classes from e-learning websites and discuss their learning and doubts using various social media websites and channels like NPTEL, Udemy, and YouTube, etc. A student can share use of live video that is a part of so many social networking sites to engage themselves in classes.